Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I'm going to prepare the car for the MOT test that's going to be coming up this month. Actually around here it's called ITP, but the basic idea is the same. And the first thing that I realized after checking all the lights is that my rear fog light is not working. And I know exactly why it is not working. No, it's not the bulb, it's the damn socket. So I will go ahead and remove the assembly. Obviously it's wet. The seal isn't really doing its job. And I will need to remove the cable, the socket. And I will need to replace the socket because I already tried to repair it and it didn't really work. And looks like now the bulb is also stuck. So what I'm doing here is hopefully reaching after a connector, because you can unplug the socket from the cables. Okay, so there's a tap thingy and you can unplug it. I will show you the inside. I will also leave a link to the video where I try to repair it. If you see there on the inside, how should I show? There's a piece of copper wire, but looks like that didn't really hold. It was kind of like a temporary fix. So that's why I got a new original port socket from a friend that works with AutoNet. This is the possibility for us here in Romania. On the other hand, this socket costs around how much? 60 or more lei. That's about 15 or more euros. Well, it does depend, entirely depends. So this is the original one. Let me clean up the place for the lamp, the bulb, the thingy, dry it out, and I will be back. So here's the new socket. Just plug it in and replace the old one. And I'm going to test it out first. The bulb. I'm going to turn on the lights. Well, seems to be working. Okay, now I will make sure that it will not corrode, so I will get a contact spray, spray the plug, and I will get what's that, dielectric grease, and put it inside the socket and make it in a way so the bulb does make contact, but it doesn't have space or whatever to corrode. And there we go. Here's the fog light working again. Hooray. So I might have done a bit of overkill with the dielectric grease, but I hope I did a good job and it will stop the corrosion for a long time. And hopefully it did not get on the bulb itself, because it might cause it to burn hot and burn out. Yeah, so I think I will do the same thing for the bulb on the other side.
And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Oh yeah, and as always, have a great day and furry free out.